So guys, now on our pound New Zealand, on my daily time frame, as you can see, for the I think for 3-4 days now, our price has actually been going bullish. We are having that bullish move on our daily time frame, by the way. So now let's analyze it. I still believe that we will still be going bullish before we actually see a fall. And I want you to also know that you can see a reversal here, but I believe we will have a breakout and continue going bullish. But let's confirm that on our 4-hour time frame. As you can see that our price has gone bullish, we are going to mark it as like a trending, where our price is actually trending. So we are going to take it as support, and I'm going to also take it as resistance. So since our price has hit our resistance, there are two ways it will go. Either we have a fall straight down to this our support, then we can actually now take our buy straight toward. Let us wait for a fall. We can actually take our shorting position, but before we actually take a shorting position, we have to confirm on our 30-minute time frame. When we see multiple break of structure downward, multiple break of structure downward, then we can take it as sell. But if not, then let's go on our 4-hour time frame. Let's see if it will continue to go up, because I believe our pound will still go up, because I believe our pound will be bullish for today. That's exactly my belief. So I don't think I want to be start selling on my pound against my New Zealand. I still believe that our pound is still going to be pushing up a little bit, at least to take out this place. So this is our liquidity area here. At least to take out this our liquidity area where we see a reaction here, key levels here, some key levels here, before we can actually now see probably a sell. So that is my analysis for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.